If you'd like to see how I create this 2-color eyeshadow look, and also tips of how to fix your eyeshadow on hooded eyes and also clean the edges of your eyeshadow look, keep watching and you'll see. 2 colors only for today's eye look. This shade right here, this green right here. First color, that dark green, I'm going to take it and put it in the outer corner. And I'm also going to take it and put it in the inner corner. Now I'm blending before I go in with the second color. Now the green. I use my fingers, I swirl. This is so pretty. Holy Jesus, this is so pretty. I have hooded eyes, so I have to always go higher, because once my eyes are relaxed, some of the colors will transfer. That happens with hooded eyes. I am not worried about that. I just like to make sure it's high enough so I can see it. As you can see, I have to go in and fix this one because one eye is bigger than the other. So I have to do that. And this is what you have to do. Play with your eyeshadows if you have hooded eyes and try to match it as close as possible. You'll do one and one will look bigger, and then you just go back in and play with the other one until you get close. That is what I am teaching here today. How to fix and work with your eyeshadow on your hooded eyes. It will never work on the first try. You just have to keep trying and play with it over and over. And always check the mirror. And I always check the mirror, back and forth to see how close each one is and just fix it according. Now I want to make the sides right here. As you can see, it's a little messy. I want to make it really sharp. So I'm going to use concealer. Saints, Angels, Sinners eyeshadow palette. I used 2 colors from there to create my look. And this is my look for today. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of yourself. If you're struggling with mental illness or any other ailment, please seek help. Help is available always. Never dim your light for another. Never stop shining. And never, ever, ever give up on yourself. Please subscribe to this channel because I do a variety of videos. I will see you in the next one very soon.